And so to deliver his keynote on digital transformation with low code, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome on stage Mr. Shrish Dixit. He is Head of Partnership and Alliances, Zoho Creator. Please put your hands together as we welcome Mr. Dixit on stage.
Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. I'm here after the graveyard shift, as you mentioned. So I hope you enjoyed the lunch. I certainly did. Can I see a show of hands? How many of you know about Zoho prior today? That's most of you. That's half my work done. Thank you so much. So for those who do not know, I'll take you through a short journey of Zoho for the past 25 years. We have been in the market since 1996, and we currently have a portfolio of more than 55 applications. We have more than 700,000 customers across 150 countries. We are profitable since inception, and we are completely bootstrapped. We have more than 15,000 employees and more than 100 million users. We recently crossed 1 billion ARR in revenue. So I think we deserve a clap for that. So now I'll take you deeper into Zoho's portfolio and talk about a product called Zoho Creator, which I represent. Zoho Creator is a low-code application development software which can help you in your digital transformation journey to replace legacy systems rapidly. But why should you use it? The answer is here, that we have been in the market for more than 17 years. We have more than 14,000 customers across the globe, and they have built more than 7 million of applications which are used by 6 million users. And who uses these softwares? These are the top industries or companies in India who use Zoho Creator. You can see companies like Asian Paints, Usha, ITC, Dalmia, Swiggy, Equitas, etc. It is evident from this picture that we do not hold ourselves specific to a particular vertical. You can develop application for any vertical. You can replace any legacy system using Creator. Even government organizations have trusted us with their processes. And if we take a global outlook, these are the customers that we have. We have Amazon, Cisco, University of Michigan. Again, we see the same thing, that our expertise span verticals and geographies. I'll quickly take you through some technical aspects of the platform. I'll not take a lot of time for that. So if you see this video, you see that you can create an application just by drag and drop. You do not need to write a code. The code is written automatically in the background. And if you go to the integration builder, this is a snapshot of our integration builder, which helps you integrate to more than 850 applications without writing any code. And do not worry if you do not find your application in this 850 apps. If your application has open REST APIs or anything on the web which has open REST APIs, it can be easily integrated with Zoho Creator. Now, this is a high-level view of the platform that we offer with all the tools under single umbrella. We have solutions where you can build an app, you can build integrations, you can have advanced dashboards and reports using our analytics creator, and you can build business process as well as robotic process. You can also make microservices such as AR, VR, serverless functions, etc. Zoho Creator is very versatile in terms of deployment options. You can deploy it as a native web application. You can deploy it as mobile application in progressive web app, as well as white label. You can white label as per your company name. And you can also give access to Zoho Creator to external stakeholders using Zoho Creator portals. And we have an advanced application development lifecycle with development, testing, and production level, which is pretty standard. And we have a robust management module where you can manage organization, manage users, roles and permission, operations, etc. All of this sounds good, but why should you care about it? Or what does this mean? I think this particular testimonial from one of our customers, Isaac, who is a general manager of Skyline Services, encapsulates what Creator does and stands for. I'll just read it verbatim for you. There are a lot of unique issues faced by each business or industry for which no software is developed. And that's what's great about Zoho Creator, is that you could develop something, really unique that's specific to that exact issue in your business. And what are the most common issues that we have seen? These are shortage of developer talent, inability to replace legacy applications, need to integrate with multiple solutions, or it can be a need for UI or UX modernization. And I'm sure most of us have faced complex compliance requirements. And I'll tell you a story of a customer who came to us with many such issues, and we were able to deliver a solution which helped them. And this customer is Big Basket. How many of us have placed an order on Big Basket ever? So again, Big Basket needs no introduction. I'll tell what they wanted to do. They wanted to implement a budget till procure to pay process. Why? Because as per the Big Basket's procurement head, Vinayak, he mentioned that the higher the touch points, the worse the quality seems to be to the customer, even though if it's not, especially for fresh produce. So they wanted to reduce these touch points so that the product reaches the customer in less than 2 or 3 touch points. And what were they using earlier to that? I'll come to this after this slide, where I'll tell you the sheer scale at which Big Basket operates. They have more than 30 million monthly visits. They have 20 million registered customers who place 500,000 orders every day. And they have 50,000 products across 1,000 brands. Most of the orders come from their application, and they have 85% repeat order rate. This scale is humongous, and this was managed by multiple applications. But even though multiple softwares were used, a lot of manual intervention was needed. I'll tell you what they were using before Zoho Creator. They were using Microsoft Excel to create a PO, then convert it into PDF, send it via email to their vendors or internal customers. All of this is manual effort. Then they had Google Sheets for bills of material, for issuing PO numbers, etc. They were also using MyMCS for approvals and documentation. That's not all. They were using Zoho Projects for project implementation, Google Drive to have all the documents at a single place, and then Citrix for goods received notes, and then Tally for accounting. And even after using so many softwares, manual intervention was needed at almost every step. So they came to us with the requirement that they want a single software with combined budget procure to pay process, with a spend management to track budgets, with a vendor portal which gives vendors access to create POs, view payments, pay to the customer, and give them the whole picture of the process, thus increasing transparency and trust for the Big Basket. They also wanted to completely automate their workflow, and later, after seeing that we have been doing well, they expanded this use case to real estate management too. And how Creator did that? Creator was able to do it all in a single solution with all the requirements. So after Zoho Creator, they had access to create, control, and track budget within a single platform. They were able to procure assets and works. They were able to maintain location across different businesses and properties. And they had a vendor portal where they could raise POs, have ledgers in the same location. And this is all automated. Every vendor was assigned a code, and the POs were automated, no more sending emails manually. And then business, to launch new businesses, a bills of material was maintained, so that if they want to launch a new location or a business, they will just send it to vendors automatically. They will fulfill the purchase orders, and then that business will kickstart very easily. They also completely automated their purchase module. They had a scheduler for follow-ups for internal customers as well as their vendors. They had automation of GRN by integrating all of the above modules that I talked about. And last but not the least, they had a spend and tracking savings feature, which brought them to a conclusion. They have saved a whopping 3 crores within 6 months. And even they also saw an increase in performance of everyone involved in the process, the employees, the vendors, everyone. And they saw a drastic reduction in the GRN processing time as well as manpower. The transparency of the vendor portal made the vendors very happy, as well as to trust the big basket procurement team. So the whole process of implementing the solution for big basket encapsulates our vision, which is that we empower everyone to easily build powerful applications. And if you are interested to see a prototype or how this application can help your organization, or if you have any question, feel free to visit us at our booth. We are just located outside. Thank you everyone, and have a nice day. I'll be happy to take any questions if you have. Okay, then we'll meet at the booth. Thank you so much.